Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to reduce the opacity of subtitles on VLC Player. First of all, open your VLC Player and tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner to reach the settings. Here you can see the settings option. Tap on it. Scroll down to reach the desired location. Here you can see the subtitles option on the extra settings. Tap on the subtitles. Here you can see the opacity option on the subtitle font style. By swiping the opacity toggle, you can reduce the opacity of the subtitle. Choose the required opacity of make a perfect fit position for your subtitles and make a perfect opacity for your subtitles also. By doing this, you can make your subtitles more attractive and less irritating. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.